October 29th, 2020, and this is the morning after Hurricane Zeta came in and hit Louisiana's coast. We did get some wind last night and some high surf. Gulf's still a little angry this morning. Really pushing these clouds out pretty quickly. Can see some blue skies trying to peek through toward the west, so it may actually even clear up before this video is done. Trying to block some of the wind gusto. Trying to stop some of the noise with this pier pilot. But if you look back to the east, it still looks pretty stormy, rainy day. Back to the west, wind's blowing these clouds out of the way. It's going to be a pretty day after all here in a few minutes. Big wind They're still repairing damage from Hurricane Sally to most of the Gulf front condos and hotels. Still working there on the sleep in and also up there on the roof. A few still boarded up. I don't know if that was from last night's storm or from Hurricane Sally. That is one of the newer Phoenixes that has just been put up. A few more nearly in the completed phases. And as you can see, they're still doing a lot of work from Hurricane Sally damage. There to sleep in, you can see some boards still up. And here on top of Silver Beach, you can see part of the roof is missing and balconies. Still a lot of boarded up areas. You can hear saws working in the background. Here you can see some of the damage to the upper floors of Sea Chase and some wood covering some windows still. All of this was from Hurricane Sally. The Gulf waters do remain closed today as there's dangerous riptides and currents from Hurricane Zeta last night. Double red flags out at the condos and hotels along the beach. Still lots of repairs going on from Hurricane Sally. Silver Beach has some roof damage, Sleep Inn, the Enclave. A lot of them still have boarded up windows and doors. Still working on some boardwalk damage there at the Phoenix. Overall, just a nice, peaceful, quiet, very windy day here in Orange Beach. Thank you for watching the videos, October 29th, 2020, and thank you for subscribing. You can see here where the wind and rain sand blasted and sprayed sand up against the boardwalk railings. Almost looks like ice or snow. And push sand back out into the parking lot here at Cotton Bayou Public Beach Access.